Yeah. Myself to you Monday to Monday and Friday to Friday. Not getting enough retribution or decent incentives to keep me at it. I'm starting to feel just a little abused like a coffee machine in an office. So I'm gonna go somewhere cozy and get me a lover to tell you about it. There's a sheet wolf in the closet. Open up and set it free. Oh, there's a sheet wolf in your closet. Let it out so it can breathe. Sitting across the bar, staring right at her plate. It's going well so far, she's gonna get her way. Nocturnal creatures are not so prudent. The moon's my teacher, and I'm her student. So low keep single man, I put on me a special radar. From the fire department, hot in case I get in trouble later. Not looking for cute little beavers or big city guys, I just want to enjoy. They're having a very good time, and behave really bad in the arms of a boy. There's a she-wolf in the closet. Open up and set it free. Oh, there's a she-wolf in your closet. Let it out so it can breathe. I saw she's in disguise. I saw she's in disguise. There's a she-wolf in disguise.